Do you want to speak English without mistakes and with more confidence? If your answer is yes, don't miss this video. Hi everyone, welcome to English Skill Hub. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about common mistakes that English learners make. Let's check how to fix them. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm angry with you. I agree with you. Agree is an active verb. In the present simple, we don't need a to-be verb with it. So we should say, I agree with you. I have 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Using have is incorrect when we want to say our age. Don't forget always we should use to-be verbs with age. So, I am 20 years old is correct. I'm waiting you. I'm waiting for you. When we use a direct object after wait, we have to use wait for. I'm waiting for you. Everyone are happy. Everyone is happy. Everyone is a singular noun, not a plural. So we can't use are for it. So we should say everyone is happy. I want that you come. I want you to come. If we have a verb after want, we should use preposition to between two verbs. That is not correct, and we should say I want to come. I will make a party tomorrow. I will throw a party tomorrow. If we want to have a party, the right verb for it is not make. We should use throw. I will throw a party tomorrow. She can to swim. She can swim. Can is a modal verb, and after can we should use infinitive form of verb without using to. She can swim. There are less people. There are fewer people. We use less with uncountable nouns. People is a countable noun, and for countable nouns, we should use few. There are fewer people. I don't mind to do it. I don't mind doing it. The verb mind is followed by verb plus ing, so I don't mind doing it is the correct one. She's married with a doctor. She's married to a doctor. It is very common mistake that English learners make. They use with for married, but the preposition that you should use with the verb married is to. She's married to a doctor is correct. He's afraid from dogs. He's afraid of dogs. The correct preposition for afraid is not from, it is of. He's afraid of dogs is correct one. I saw a dream last night. I had a dream last night. In English, we don't say see dreams. We usually have dreams, so I had a dream last night is correct one. I must to call him immediately. I must call him immediately. Must is another modal verb, and as I said, after modal verbs, we should use infinitive form of verb without preposition to. I must call him immediately is correct. He's yet at home. He's still at home. Yet and still are synonyms, but in the middle of sentence we don't use yet. Instead of yet, we use still. He's still at home. I know him good. I know him well. Good is an adjective, and adjectives describe nouns, but well is an adverb, and meaning in a satisfactory manner. I know him well. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. When we compare two things and prefer one of them more than the other one, we don't use than here. We say I prefer tea to coffee. I need to go to home. I need to go home. We don't use preposition to with home because here home is an adverb. I need to go home is correct. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot is correct. You should use in this way. It was a 30-minute meeting. It was a 30-minute meeting. When a number is part of an adjective before a noun, we keep it singular. Here, meeting is a noun. And 30 here is a number and it's a part of an adjective. So we shouldn't use it plural. We should use it singular. 30-minute meeting. It was a 30-minute meeting. Let's go to home. Let's go home. We don't use preposition to with home because here home is an adverb. So let's go home is the correct one. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.